Well, today there's also a Bloomberg investigation that details the tax maneuvers of Cisco Systems. Its company CEO John Chambers is leading the charge for a one-time tax break on overseas earnings, and it's one of the companies that would benefit the most from this. Megan Hughes in Washington with the details on this. Megan?
Good morning, Betty. Bloomberg went through the documents. We found Cisco has more than $30 billion sitting overseas on which it so far has paid no U.S. income taxes. Now, in fact, a review of Cisco's records shows that it cut its tax bill, its global tax bill, by $7 billion since 2004, in part by funneling billions through Amsterdam and Switzerland. Its Dutch hub, Cisco Systems International BV, employs just about 2% of the company's workforce, but gets credit for half of the company's worldwide sales. Records show those earnings then flow from there to the office at the foot of the Swiss Alps. Now, it employs only about 100 people, but the Swiss unit's tax rate less than 5%. Now, this technique that Cisco is using, transfer pricing, essentially sending expenses to high tax countries like the U.S. and sending higher profits to tax havens like Switzerland. Now, they do this by funneling goods, patents, trademarks through subsidiaries and setting the prices. So it works especially well for tech and drug companies, which have, of course, a lot of patents. Now, Cisco's CEO John Chambers told 60 Minutes because of high U.S. taxes, companies are left with little choice.
We leave the money over there. I create jobs overseas. I acquire companies overseas. I build plants overseas. And I badly want to bring that money back.
But here's another reason Cisco could benefit from bringing earnings home. The company needs cash here in the U.S. to prop up its share price. Cisco has spent more than $42 billion on stock buybacks since 2006.
The firms need cash to pay dividends because they have so much cash offshore. It's created a cash management problem for them when they want to pay dividends.
Now, Cisco, along with Microsoft, Oracle, and several other companies, had vowed to spend millions to lobby for this tax holiday to Congress. They say it's going to stimulate the economy. It also obviously will benefit their businesses. Betty.
Megan.